Hey guys, I'm Carla.
Hello, I'm Candice.
And I'm Serica. And today we're sharing our underarm secrets.
You know how talking about your underarms, it's kind of a taboo here, right?
Well, my goal really with my underarm these days is to maintain it being odor-free.
So I really want it to be really smooth and then, without the chicken skin.
Yes. I think I'd want mine to still be white. I don't want to have any dark spots or blemishes on my underarm.
I simply just lather up on soap or wash it with water and just put on my deodorant.
When I take a shower, I actually put facial cleanser on my underarm.
Like after a long, tiring day. And of course, I have deodorant on my underarms.
I heard some people actually put sulfur soap on their...
That's also to take out the bacteria that has accumulated over time.
I use this vitamin C powder, but that powder turns into like liquid whenever I apply it.
Like magic.
It's actually like magic. I also put this whitening lotion on my arms. I really don't like the dark spots.
Yeah. And then, when I'm just starting to put moisturizer on my skin, I also suddenly put it on my armpits.
That happens.
I don't know. I think I just wanted to relax and breathe and be moisturized. There are times that I have like acne. So what I do is I place benzoyl on the spot, and after like 2 days, it disappears.
I've also heard people put lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah.
The catch with that is that it's very organic.
But we don't know if it's correct.
Yeah.
Like, are we treating our underarms right?
That's why it's very important to stick to the clinically proven ones.
Yes.
Just so you don't have much to worry about.
All right, so you guys take your picks.
All right, so here we have the Dove Deodorant Dry Serum.
It's actually a deodorant and a skincare product at the same time.
It's also antiperspirant, so you can just sweat all you like.
And not have to worry about a thing.
My variant actually has vitamin E, so this helps with minimizing the underarm pores. So the vitamin E actually helps repair your skin and your underarms.
Mine smoother and firms and contains serum ingredients that penetrate underarm skin 20 layers deep.
Wow.
In my serum, it has omega-6.
Which means it tightens the skin.
And I guess maybe it takes out the chicken skin. That's why it's smooth.
What I have here is the one that actually has the vitamin B3. Also helps with hyperpigmentation as it removes underarm dark marks.
And girls always having their beauty regimen to take collagen.
Yes.
So now we have that collagen for our underarm.
And it helps with actually rejuvenating the skin.
Yeah.
And also it helps with elasticity and it gives a more youthful look.
And I heard it also helps with the hydration of the skin. You know what, guys? I'm actually gonna try it out on my underarm.
It just dried up so quickly.
And it actually has a powdery finish to it.
Oh, it smells really good too.
good.
It feels so good. Like, it's so smooth.
We have to treat our armpits like our faces.
That's true.
They both have delicate skin, and I think they deserve the love they deserve.
Yeah.
Love